All right, day 2. Man, it's a mess. And you can see all the pilings in. I think like 50 total. And again, this is where the house is going to sit on. Look at that. We get to see. Oh, they must have here. This one here, they're cutting it because they must have hit a resistance. So that could be lime rock down there. That could be, you know, rock or whatever. That means that it couldn't go any further. Interesting. We got 2 more to do. All right, we're getting there. The pools are in. The engineer is there, checking out everything. What's up? What's up? I'm doing a thing right here, man. Like, y'all on top of it. That's it. You on top of it. Hey, that's it, man. All right, man. Just doing here. Just came here late. Just to take some videos and seeing what we got. I see that one was a resistance there.
Yeah.
Okay.
A refusal at 25.
A refusal at 25. Okay. It's amazing what's under earth, right? It's amazing. It's amazing what's under the earth.
It's amazing what God created. And
say it again. Say it again. Say it again. That's it. You can't do what you want, man. Wow. So we got what, 2 more, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we had last 2.
All right.
Most of them like you got a few that are refusal at 25.
Okay.
This is like hitting on something, but it's not blowout.
Good. So just imagine if none of these houses are on this here. I doubt, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I doubt. Yeah. Oh, they're gonna hate on this one, big time.
They're gonna hate on this. Oh, I heard it's a duplex.
It's a duplex.
Yeah.
It's a duplex.
It's
gonna be sitting up high.
I think he's gonna take a picture in order to feel like he needs to be doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Because I know he's taking pictures like just like the train, what's going on here, the concrete stuff. I'm sure he's thinking like, hey, I thought you blow my stuff up here.
Because you see how low that is right there, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's like low.
Yeah.
That's at the bottom of the fence back here.
Yeah.
So.
I'm sure he doesn't have some blood probably too.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see it.
Yeah.
So you can see all the mildew on the left. The line. You see the water line right there. Water line over there.
Yeah.
And then over here, the same thing. They kind of like painted it, but you know they got that same situation over there as well. Either they're going to love me or they're going to hate me. I got to do it. So what he was saying, like when the cages are 40 feet. So if this drill hits something and it resists, it's gonna like stop or slow down. So that's called like a resistance. So we got 2 more of these, which is where that orange stake is right there. So many things you can do in construction, man. Now all this stuff here, so from yesterday, some of the stuff is dry. It's called slurry. It's part of the concrete, but it's overflow that comes out, and it's got to be all cleaned up. So I want you guys to look at this. Remember how this looked. Oh, they gotta clean that person's house over there. I want you to know how this looks now, and then when we start coming in, how it's going to look once we get started. Let's see how far this will go down. The weather is much better today. Yesterday was raining. I mean, yeah, big time. Mother Nature said, I'm gonna give y'all a break, okay? What's happening here? Usually if it has a resistance here, it may have a resistance here as well. I don't think it's gonna go all the way down to 38 feet. I could be wrong. Because you never know what's underneath the dirt, man. It's like you walk on grass all day, you walk on sidewalks all day, but you don't know what's 10 feet below, 20 feet below. Until you do something like this. Making a path for the dirt to come out. Day 2. Cleaning the machine up. Going to track all the mud out on the street, which sometimes is pretty. Uh-oh. Yeah. It's hitting something. If it can go through it, it's going to go through it. But if it can't, they're going to stop it. Still coming down. You can see that right there, still coming down. Still coming down. It's a lot in building, man. What's going to happen when it reaches the bottom? They already started the pump truck, and once it starts going back up, right? Once it starts going back up, what's going to end up happening is they're going to start releasing the concrete out. So you can see how this is not concrete, but it's like you're probably hitting the water table and all that good stuff coming out. So that's why you see the mud coming out. That's all that is. That's water coming through. Now they're getting ready to put in concrete. And you're gonna see, all right. Now this hose, concrete is coming through this hose. And it's going through. And it's going through this, actually this drill bit, which is hollow. And the concrete is going through that, the concrete is going through this drill bit right here. You'll see it. So now the drill is going all the way up. Like reverse. That's just mud. Haven't found any gold yet, but you know. Maybe one day. Now you got different shades of it. That's dark brown, like chocolate, but it's not, trust me. Now you see how the dirt is getting lighter. Okay, it's getting lighter. That means that it's going through layers. Because it's pulling everything out with it. And they're replacing it with concrete. That's all it's doing right now. And when you see the gray, you know that's going to be concrete. So let's watch and see it together. This is how we do it in South Florida. When you're close to the water, intercoastal, or you just got bad dirt, this is one of the things that the architect and the structural engineer designed as far as the foundation. All right, now the concrete is starting to come out. You see the concrete right here, the gray? That's concrete now. That's the concrete now. All right, that's concrete, so it's filled up to the top. So now we're getting ready to put the cage in. I want you guys to see that too. All right, he's getting ready to hook up the cage. Let me get my butt out the way. So this cage is going to go in the hole that was just been drilled. Make sure, like I said, let me get out the way. Let me get out the way. Okay. All right. There we go. Concrete truck is there. I think we got one more, and then we're done with this. All right, let's see how this goes in. All this slurry, man, it's gonna dry, and they gotta get this out of here. I know we're waiting on something.
Hey, I got him here today.
Oh, They getting more concrete. Oh, okay. Okay. We gotta get the other truck in. Going in now. That's 40 feet of a cage. Okay. That's it. All right, that's a wrap. Got one more left.